Vaibhav Sharma, please unmute yourself. You can ask your question. Vaibhav Sharma.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Can I become a good astrologer? I want to.
Good question.
Yeah,
I'm always
yeah.
very happy when people ask me this question.
Because, sir, I have actually I have some basic knowledge of this Vedic astrology. I have Saturn Ketu conjunction. So, but it's my dream. I want to become so. This.
Very nice. Let us see, sir. Give me a random number, please.
249.
1 to 249. You are giving 249. Okay. All right. Astrology is seen from the 9th house. Starts in Scorpio at 26:55. Sublord is Jupiter. Jupiter is in Bharani Nakshatra today in Aries, owned by Venus. Venus in the 5th house, owning the 3rd house, owning the 8th house. Jupiter is in the sub of Venus also. Give it some time, sir.
Okay.
Don't run into it, rush into it at this point of time. 4th house sublord is Saturn. Wait till November, come back and check with me again. We will take a look at it at that point of time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, not the best of the time for you to start going headlong into astrology today. I don't know why, but that is how it is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let us wait for some time, sir. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best. Good luck. Be blessed.